Hi guys, this is Faye from World Media, and in this video, I want to talk to you guys about Adobe Express Premium. Exactly. That is a subscription that will cost you $9.99 a month, and I'm here to share with you why it's worth it, why I choose to pay for it. With full transparency, I am a proud Adobe Express ambassador, but before they contacted me and decided to work with me, I was already an Adobe Express user. Instead of just opting in using the free account, I actually want to chat with you about why you want to consider the paid and premium account. Here are my top 3 reasons, aka best features. Number 1, it sounds really simple. It's not because of the crazy Gen AI features and the fact that the user interface is super easy to use. It's because they're unparalleled. Stock imageries, videos, fonts, and even music. As a content creator, not only for World, we create a ton of assets, even a documentary on Amazon Prime. We have a podcast that's been running for 10 years. We're going live stream. And we have a blog with well over 12,000 visitors every single month. So we're talking about a ton of images and video content that we need to create, even repurposing long form videos such as this into short form, such as YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels or TikTok videos. We're constantly creating and resizing. And I just personally absolutely cannot deal with those generic looking, unprofessional stock imageries they just don't feel on brand for us. Before we adopted Adobe Express, my team and I spent an enormous amount of time looking for good imageries. Now we do so much from within Adobe Express, designing thumbnails, images, social media assets, as well as editing short videos. We realize how important it is to have all the things we need from a single platform, even scheduling assets directly onto our social platforms. On top of that, we also have to care for our clients. We work with over a dozen different brands so that we need to design brand kits for them. I just got started, finally disciplined myself using Adobe Express, how I created a World brand kit where I can save all my logos, all my fonts. By the way, Adobe Express comes with 25,000 fonts you can use right away. It's all part of their premium package for under $10 a month. I can also save my favorite Adobe Express templates and reuse them over and over again. Speaking of resizing images, we're no longer living in the world where we can only thrive on a single platform. So we spread out our content on YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and more. And Adobe Express allows us to schedule, bulk schedule all these content onto multiple platforms. My team and I always thrive in setting things up at least, weeks into the future. Resizing is a really big deal for us. Instead of recreating the same imagery or video over and over again, Adobe Express allows you to use just a single click and resize, for example, a landscape imagery into square or vertical. And on top of that, it's listing all these social media templates so I can be sure that I'm using the right size. Last but not least, now you know how much I love Adobe Express libraries with images and videos. What if you don't find something that you love? Now, there are a lot of Gen AI features. I'm going to include some links to the videos I previously created. You can add new elements to your imagery. You can remove elements from your existing images. It's just incredible. Adobe is also a leading player, a brand in responsible AI. I'm going to list some additional information in the description below. If you're like me who want to understand how AI is being leveraged on these platforms, and you want to be sure that you don't run into any copyright infringement, not only for yourself, but also for your clients, you want to work with Adobe and Adobe Express. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. Like I mentioned earlier, I've included a lot of tools and resources that you might find helpful as a small creator, as a small business owner. I'm all ears. I really want to leverage my platform here on YouTube, World, to connect with more people like yourself. Let me know how I can assist you, how I can answer additional questions. And by the way, I just want to say that I've been working with Adobe Express now for about 3 months. I am really blown away. They did not pay me to say this. It is one of the most professional teams I could possibly dream of, and the entire community. I get to learn from so many other creators, way bigger creators, than myself. And not only we get to talk about these features, we also get to learn some of the best practices when it comes to design overall, how to, integrate elements and designs from Photoshop directly into Adobe Express. I'm learning from some of the top designers, literally leveraging the platform like I've never seen before. So I can't wait to share so much more with you. A big shout out to all of you that are working hard, and let's bring our content forward. I'll see you in the next video, and I look forward to staying with you throughout the year. If you like this video, consider subscribing and share with one more friend. That really means a lot to us.